Lately there is a buzz in the industry about AI agent. People are either trying to explore it due to, that FOMO effect, or they're genuinely scared of their jobs being taken away by them. But believe me, not even 5% of the worldwide population understand even the meaning of the term AI agent. In this video, I will try to explain AI agent in simple terms. Some areas might be a bit complex than the other, but for the major part I will use simple English. What is the definition of AI agent? An AI agent is an autonomous system that perceives its environment through sensors, processes information using AI or machine learning models, makes decisions, and takes actions via actuators to achieve specific goals. Think of it as a digital entity with purpose and autonomy. The essential characteristics of an AI agent is perception, which means data ingestion from the environment in the form of text, images, sensors, and APIs. Then comes decision-making, which uses AI models such as large language models, rule-based systems, or neural networks to reason. Combining these two, they take action, which can be in the form of API calls, robotic movements, or sending messages. They are goal-oriented to optimize outcomes, adaptive to learn from feedback or data over time, and autonomous to operate without constant human intervention. They also have a defined framework called the PEAS framework. So P stands for performance measure, which is a success metric such as, minimize customer wait time. E stands for environment, or the operating context like web, physical world, or maybe a database. A stands for actuators or output mechanisms such as API calls, robotic arms, or even text replies. And finally, S stands for sensors or input channels like cameras, user prompts, or network data. The core components of an AI agent are, a sensing module to collect environment data, a reasoning engine or AI models for planning and inferences memory, which stores conversation history as short-term memory, and uses vector databases as long-term memory action modules to execute decisions, and a feedback loop for reinforcement learning. The most common types of AI agent are, simple reflex, which acts on current percepts using if-then rules, model-based, which tracks the internal state of the world, goal-based, which plans actions to achieve targets, utility-based, which maximizes the utility function, learning agents, which improve via feedback, and LLM-powered agents, which use LLMs for reasoning and planning. An AI agent can be built either by someone who is an expert in machine learning languages, or, honestly, by someone who can give good prompts in English using the no-code platforms like Relevance AI, Bizway, Zapier, Bardeen, Chatbase, or VoiceFlow. LangChain is a good tool for the coders out there. And, for curious techies, there are multiple options of low-code tools such as OpenAI, Twilio, and other similar tools. Before building any AI agent, the first thing that needs to be done is visualization. Simple layered diagrams can be used for designing a single agent to tackle a single task. For more complicated multi-agent architecture, state machines need to be used to design them. Multi-agent architecture is nothing but a mesh of multiple single agents to tackle a more complicated function. Multi-agent collaboration and self-improvement are frontier areas. Key steps for success is to start simple. Try to automate one simple task like email sorting at the beginning and implement in a controlled, non-critical domain. Once you get a good understanding of the working of this single agent, you can connect it to CRM, APIs, or databases represented by additional single agents. You can use Glide's no-code connectors to connect the agents. Do thorough testing before implementation. Create an aviation-style checklist for pre-launch verification. To give you an example of time commitment to build an AI agent, Wordware tool enables prompt-based agent creation in less than an hour. Hope this video has helped you unmask the mysteries of AI agent. My next video will talk about 5 real-life use cases which help those companies immensely. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share the video with all your friends and family. Also, click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the videos as soon as they are posted. Comments are always welcome as well. It will help me understand what topics you would like me to focus on.